Introduction. Duplicates are everywhere.
Duplicate photos can clutter your PC and waste storage space. Many users turn to photo duplicate cleaners for a quick fix, but simple mistakes can lead to lost memories. Discover the most common pitfalls and how to protect your precious photos while tidying up your collection.
Mistake 1. Not backing up before cleaning.
Failing to back up your photos is the biggest risk. Even the best duplicate finders can make mistakes or delete the wrong files. Always create a full copy of your photo library on an external drive or cloud storage before you start deleting anything to prevent permanent data loss.
Mistake 2. Blindly trusting auto-select features.
Relying solely on automatic selections can be dangerous. Auto-select tools may flag near duplicates or edited images as expendable. Take time to review the files selected for deletion so that you don't lose important edits, cropped versions, or treasured moments by accident.
Mistake 3. Overlooking file location and organization.
Deleting based on duplicate content alone can disrupt your organization. The same photo might appear in multiple folders for a good reason, such as events or albums. Review where duplicates are stored and only remove unnecessary copies to maintain your organizational system.
Mistake 4. Ignoring file formats and quality differences.
Not all duplicates are created equal. You may have photos in different formats or resolutions. Accidentally deleting a high-quality image while keeping a lower-quality one is a common error. Always compare file details before deciding which copy to remove.
Mistake 5. Skipping the recycle bin or recovery option.
Permanently deleting files without review is risky. Use the recycle bin or your duplicate cleaner's recovery feature before making deletions final. This gives you a chance to recover any mistakenly removed photos before they are gone for good.
Conclusion. Clean smart, not fast.
Cleaning duplicate photos is helpful when done carefully. Avoid these mistakes by backing up first, reviewing selections, understanding your folder structure, checking file quality, and using recovery options. This way, you'll keep your photo collection organized without losing what matters most.